Hey, baddies, we only have like half left, but we're gonna do the burping challenge.
I have a Mexican cola. Okay, 3.
I have a Diet Coke.
I'm gonna barf. 3. If we barf, we have a cup. Okay. 3. Maybe you gotta touch the scraper. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
I'm drowning.
She barfed.
I was drowning, guys. By the way, I wasn't crying. I was laughing and trying not to drown.
Guys, she just
Thank you
spit up rice and beans. She's gonna make me barf. I'm so serious.
I'm about to pee, bro.
Okay, wipe. Please wipe that up. Please wipe that up. Sorry, I'm having terrible gagging lately. Okay, can we actually do it without you scaring me like you're gonna die? Okay. Can we actually do it? Maybe we shouldn't look at each other. Okay, we'll just wipe the table off. Okay, no laughing this time.
Okay.
I thought she was actually dying, so okay. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, I think Mackenzie got back to me. Okay. Okay.
I don't need a burp.
What?
I don't need a burp.
You can't burp?
Gosh, my stomach. Now I'm like a baby. Okay, wait, you gotta wait for me to burp. Okay. Ew. Ew! I think she actually barfed.
I did.
I can't burp. Barf. I can't burp.
She can't burp, guys. Oh!
Do I need to like burp on purpose?
No.
Oh, it's coming. It's coming.
I can't breathe.
Oh, that's pretty good.
I can't believe we got the whole moment on camera. Alright.
Well, that's all I had, guys. I don't really burp that much, I guess. It'll be so random. Like, I only burp like on the most random times. I'll just like
feel like I am pregnant, bro.
Oh my gosh! Guys, she's 4 months pregnant!
Remember the video when I said I was pregnant for my birthday party?
Wait.
Okay, ready? I'm over it.
Already bump bellies.
Well, now that's okay. We gotta rewatch that.
Okay, bye.
Bye.